Hello everybody, we are preparing ourselves for the testing of this siren. I am starting a little early because you never know, it might go 15 minutes earlier than 7. So we are just preparing ourselves for the test. So enjoy it, and this is going to be an uncut video. So I'll talk before the test, and then during the test we'll have a little quiet time. And after the test I'll record my way home. So enjoy, and let's roll it. So I'm going to talk a little bit about my YouTube channel. I know a lot of you are refusing to subscribe, so please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, because my old channel got terminated, and because I had 3 copyright strikes, and I got this new one. So please subscribe to me. I only have 201 subscribers. I want 1,000 before 2027 at least. So please don't refuse to subscribe. Please do it and enjoy it. And we are losing daylight right now, and it is fall. It is really cold out right now, so yeah. We're just preparing ourselves for the test. I did take my bike out here. So yeah. I have a lot of playlists on my channel. One's of tornado siren tests in it, where all my siren test videos are. I got train subdivision railroad playlists, where all my train videos and what's line I filmed on in each of them playlists. And I have elevator video playlist, and I have my school elevator playlist where all my school elevator videos are. And then I also have an other videos playlist where all my random videos I've filmed are. So please go check those out. And I've also created playlists of all these random videos from other channels that I really like, that I want you to check out. So yeah, like I said, we are just preparing ourselves for the test if it goes up. I'm not sure. And it is kind of chilly. But yeah. While we wait, I'll show you a little bit of the 5-ball fields. So we got baseball field number 1 there. This is number 2 where I'm in right now. And this is number 3 back here. And then we also have that playground where all the kids play that are watching the game if they're bored. And then we got the big shirts in the background and all that. And then we got the football field over there. You can't see it because the trees are in the way, so it's going to be kind of tough. And then we got the pool right there, which someone broke the diving board this summer, and it had a big crack in it, so they closed it. And I was not happy about it, because I love diving boards. And then we used to have 2 slides at our pool, but they both got ripped out because people got hurt on them and they were getting dangerous. So yeah, all we have is a diving board. Well, we don't right now, but they're going to get a new one for next summer. And that's going to be awesome. I'm going to be happy to have one of those again to jump on. So yeah, we're getting ready for the test. So I would stay tuned. So yeah. Like I said, this is going to be an uncut video. So get ready. So it should be going off here soon. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, there's the soccer field over there. You can see the goal nets and all that. But yeah, we are definitely losing daylight. But look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. We have 2 other sirens here, but neither of them work. And they're both 3T22s. We got one up there by the city hall, and then we have one over here by my friend's house, but none of them work. The last test of those was back in 2021 when I filmed ambience on my old YouTube channel of them going off. And I never did record the wind-up, so I'm very sorry about that. Actually, the other channel's still on my channel, the DeYoung Sebastian one. So go check that one out if you haven't already too. That's just another one of my channels I have. But there ain't going to be nearly as good as videos on there as this channel I have now, but it's still going to be worth it to look at. So yeah. See, I see the lights are already turning on everywhere. But like I said, I don't know if they're going to test or not. But Sioux Falls did their test this month, so we better do ours too. Because I've been wanting to hear this. I want to hear it one more time. I'm not sure if the mic is picking it up, but if you can probably hear a harvest vehicle harvesting the field over here east of me, about 3/4 of a mile away. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but if you do, I'd be surprised. I'm going to rewatch this video and see if I can hear it too, but I don't know. But yeah, we're just here for the test, and this is going to be an uncut video, like I said, raw and uncut. And it's just going to be me talking and siren test and the videoing me riding home, all in this one video. This is definitely going to be the one last videos I take of this, because it's going to get colder. So yeah. I'm going to go see what time it is. I'm going to get my phone. I have my phone too with me. It's in my bag. So hold on a minute. It's right here. It is 6:41 and it tests at 7. But I'm not sure if it's gonna do it or not. It might even do 6:45, so in 4 minutes. So as you can see, 6:41 p.m. Monday, October 6th. So we don't know yet what's gonna happen. They might not even test, but we'll see. So yeah, just enjoy it. Just listen to the ambience of the nature in the harvest vehicle until it goes off in all the cars. And maybe a train if one comes. Just listen and just enjoy it. Don't mind that, it's just me moving my tongue around. You're probably gonna hear that a little bit, quite a bit. Definitely feels like fall now. It's cold. It's like 50 degrees right now. And I have my reflective coat on, which is good for, especially if you're out at night. So let's just wait and see what happens. It should be going off. There is somebody at the park beside me here, so I'm just going to be as quiet as I can. I do have some new shoes. They're blue. I like them. See what time it is. $6:44. We'll see what happens at 6:45. It's 6:45 now. Let's see if it goes. If not, it'll be 7. Now I hear kids behind me. They're jumping on a trampoline behind me. I see them in their house, in their backyard. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a mower way over there where the camera's facing, and then one of the yards over there. Doesn't look like it's going at 6:45. Let's see what happens at 7. My iPad is losing battery life, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this whole Uncut video. We'll see. When it's cold, it dies quicker. Or when it's really hot, it will die fast too. Just look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful? Screenshot there. You get a good picture. I'm gonna check the time real quick. (6:48). So about 12 minutes it should be going off, but I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Screenshot that. Beautiful sunset. Even better. Get a picture there. Screenshot. Get a good picture of that sunset. I'll talk about school real quick. I am in 12th grade now, and I'm really enjoying my year. I've gotten a lot of A's and B's and maybe a couple C's, but I'm doing really good this year, and I'm hoping to keep it up so I can graduate and get out into the real world and get a job. Maybe I'll attend college. I don't know yet. A lot of people prefer to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna or not yet. The sunset is so freaking beautiful. If you're in the Eastern time zone right now, it's dark out. If you're in the mountain in the Pacific, it's still really light out. Hey, look at this. There's the moon. It is rising. Check that out. Screenshot that. Check the time quick. 6:50, we got 10 minutes. I don't know for sure though. But yeah, I don't know if you can hear that harvest vehicle, but there's one over there about 3/4 of a mile away. If you can hear it, I'd be surprised if the mic picks it up right now. Yep, I'm standing right now. I'm currently standing in baseball field number 2 of 3. And I do have some new shoes. Check them out if you didn't see that already. Brooks is my brand. They're pretty good. Yeah, there's kids playing in the playground over here, and I don't want to face it over there to camera because I don't want to get them on camera. So I'm going to face it Siren. It should be going off soon, hopefully. I don't know for sure. But if it does, we're still just preparing ourselves for the test. I wish I could get a radio where I can hear emergency management, and then I hear the 2 tones before it goes off the siren. And so, like everybody, all the other siren enthusiasts have that. I need to get one of those too, so I can know when they're going to be going off. I do have a playlist of all my siren videos in it, so go check it out if you haven't already. Okay, let's check what time it is quick. Every, so often I try to do it. 6:52. The sunset is so freaking beautiful. I wish you were here right now in person to see it. It is nice. But yeah, my iPad battery is losing life, so let's just hope this will get done soon. When it's cold, it will die quicker, and if it's really hot, it'll die quick too. Just the way batteries are. The football game just got done over there, the JV one. I'm not sure how we did. The varsity games are Friday nights. JVs are on Monday nights. Just yesterday, I saw some robins. They were making their way south. They just stopped here to get some food quick before they head the rest of the way down. There's even a few monarch butterflies I've seen in the past 2 days too that were stopping here just to get something to eat and then head back and keep going. I wish I was a bird. I'd love to fly south every winter. It would be fun. Get out of this cold weather. We'll see what time it is. 6:55. We got 5 minutes. I filmed for 20 minutes already now. But that's what I wanted to do. So it's an uncut video. First me talking, then the test, and then me riding home, all in one video. $6.56. 6:58, we got 2 minutes. $6:59, we got 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Seven o'clock. That's awesome. They did it for 3 minutes too. I love it. It was 7:04. They did a 3-minute test. I love it. So yeah, but we're not done yet. We're gonna keep it filming, rolling until I get home. So let's go. I kind of figured they were gonna do it because they usually do a 3-minute test in June, but hold on a minute. But it was canceled because of severe weather, so they made up 3 minutes for this month. And then they also missed the test on July for a minute, so they're gonna probably do that one next month. So stay tuned for all of those videos, or stay tuned for the last video of the test if it does that next month thing. But that was awesome. 3 minutes. I love it. Now we're gonna keep my video rolling and we're gonna ride bike home. So here we go. So what y'all think? Was that awesome? That'll be my second 3-minute video I've ever taken of that thing, because it went up for 3 minutes before. It was a few years ago, but I filmed it. And it was really awesome. And this was the second time. I love it. There's the sunset. Take a screenshot of that. That's beautiful. So yep. Listen to my bell on my bike. It's really nice. I got it for my birthday. My friend Brianna got it for me. She's one of my best friends. And she lives here in town. I'm not going to be able to show you where she lives tonight because it's kind of late and I just don't feel like it. But she lives here in town. She actually lives out of school. So, yeah. She's the one that got me this bell for my birthday. And I was so nice of her. And she also got me a lot of Mountain Dew too. Because I love Mountain Dew. I'm a Mountain Dew nut. I love Mountain Dew. It is really nice. Mountain Dew is the best. But yep, it is getting dark though, like I said. It happens though. It's part of winter. I don't like it, but it's just the way it goes. There's the funeral home. There's something for sale. Come to Garretson, buy it. Dial that number. But yep, there's 3-minute alert. That was awesome. I enjoyed it. If it wasn't so late, I'd show you a little bit around town, but it's just too late and I want to get home. So yeah, I think we're going to do a short video of it too. We're going to have 2 uploads of it. We're going to do the uncut one, upload it too, and the short one. We're good. That was awesome, that test. I really enjoyed it. I knew it was going to probably do 3 minutes because we missed the 3-minute alert test back in summertime. Just the way it goes. When we miss a date, we got to make it up. There's a fish. So yep, let's keep the video rolling until I get home. We're going to have 2 videos. We're actually going to put the short one up on YouTube and the long one. There's Jesse James. If you come here, go there. It's a nice place. Here's the train tracks. That's the Marshall sub we just crossed. This is the Corson coming up ahead of us here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have the short video and the long video on my channel. This one and the shorter one I'm gonna make. Look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful? I just wish you were here in person to see it. It is so awesome. There's a delivery. Check it out. Here's my trailer court, my home court here. This is where I live. There's my house. check all the leaves out in front of my house. Isn't that nice? It is what it is though. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this uncut video of it. But this part of the video is also going to be... maybe not. But I hope you enjoyed the uncut video of the siren. I'm going to do cut it to a little short clip too. I'll have 2 different clips to see. So I hope you enjoy them and peace out.